What is up YouTube, IDM here, and welcome back to another video. So I'm going to show you guys how to get Flappy Bird in 2021 on iOS 14. No jailbreak required for this method. Now if you guys are jailbroken, you can still follow along. I will make a jailbreak mention in this video, so if you guys want to install a jailbreak method, you can do it this way as well. But if you guys want to see what repo you need and all that, check out my official jailbreak tutorial for Flappy Bird. Video link will be in the description, and I'm going to mention every link you will need will be down in the description, along with the GitHub and my video tutorial on AltStore and how that works. So everything you will need will be down in the description. But what we're going to do to kick this off is we're going to hop into GitHub here. This is where the IPA is available for download. And again, like I said, just check the description. But this is currently on Flappy Bird version 3.9. Of course, if you guys are watching this in the future, just download whatever's the newest version, maybe like 4.0, 4.1, whatever it might be. Just go ahead and download the newest version. So the newest version is 3.9 for me, so I'm going to click on to 3.9, and you will notice down here that we have two downloads that we can install. So the first one is the deb file. You can download that if you're jailbroken, and it will install. You can install it basically via your package manager. You can install it with Zebra or Cydia, whatever you're using. You can install the deb file that way. Or if you're not jailbroken, there is the IPA. Now, like I said, we're going to download the IPA and we're going to install it using AltStore. So all we got to do is click on download, and GitHub is a little weird. We actually have to open it in Safari in order for this to work properly. So I'll click on open in Safari, and then we get the download pop-up. So I'll click on download, and you can see it's downloading in the upper right, and we can view our downloads. I already did this once before as a test, but we're going to click the little magnifying glass there to locate the file. And there it is. So all we got to do is touch on the IPA. We'll click on share, and then we're going to open it in the AltStore, just like so. And it is installing the flappybird.ipa, as you guys can see. Of course, be patient at this point because it does take a few seconds for it to install onto your iPhone or iPad, whatever you're using. And there we go. Now we have Flappy Bird. So if we exit out, there is Flappy Bird. Now, if you guys watched my jailbreak version, I have two Flappy Birds on this phone now. So I have the jailbreak version, which is right there, and then we have the non-jailbreak AltStore version right there, which are both exactly the same, just two different methods in which I installed them. But of course, we can go ahead and launch it, and we can see what kind of high score we can get here. Incredibly hard to do this while filming. Of course. While filming, we do have a leaderboard here in Flappy Bird, which I think is really cool. You can view all in the leaderboard. I thought it was awesome that they added a leaderboard to this. I'm in here somewhere. I think I had a pretty good run a while back where I got up to like 50 or something. So maybe I'm like top 300 or something like that. But really cool that there is a leaderboard. You have your settings, of course. And yeah, basically Flappy Bird on iOS 14. 2021, I still enjoy playing this game. I know some of you probably think I'm stupid, and that's okay, because I still like this game. I like the nostalgia of it. I remember when it released. I remember when it went viral, and it was very, very cool. But anyways, like I said, everything you need is in the description. This has been Jeremy, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Later.